What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use auto hotspot on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now in connections, scroll down and click on mobile hotspot and tethering, and then click on mobile hotspot. Now here scroll down and click on auto hotspot option. Now here you will see a on off button on the top, so tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button it will share this phone's internet connection automatically with other devices that are signed in to your Samsung account or devices that are part of your Samsung account family. So that's how you can use auto hotspot on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.